Frontals. Bye-bye.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, what's up? My name is Mare'sa. If you are a part of the fam, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a review on this bomb unit that I have installed. So if you guys want to see, make sure you guys stay tuned. But before you go, you already know. Why? Because I say this in every video. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video and hit that subscribe button. And until next time, bye guys. All right, let's get into it. So here's the box and all of the goodies that came inside of it. It literally took me about maybe a week to receive it. And here's the unit. It is so full. It's 250% density, 5x5 closure. So I did bleach the knots. Although it is transparent lace, I still like to bleach the knots. Now, the knots on this is double knotted, so it's going to take longer to actually bleach it. And I actually let it sit on, this is with a 30 volume developer. I let it sit on for about 20 minutes. And to be honest, I probably should have let it sit on longer. Now, the unit says that it comes pre-plucked, but it was not. I ended up having to pluck the unit myself, which is no problem, as you guys can see right here. So I just did pretty much some slight plucking. And I like to just go in different areas. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on plucking your frontal or closure, just let me know down in the comment section. And I wanted to try out something that was a little bit more low maintenance than frontals. So this was a go for me. So this is what it's looking like. And like I said, it is transparent. So I'm taking my She Is Bomb collection. This is the toning foam. I love this foam. Literally, you're toning in one step. And I'm just going to go in with my blow dryer just to pretty much seal that color in. And I wanted to, although this comes in the body wave texture, I wanted to see what it looks like straight and just kind of throw some bedhead curls in it. So I'm using my blow dryer just to kind of get those waves out. Now, what I will say is this unit looks so much more full when it is dry. At first, when I saw it, I was like, this cannot be 250% density. But once it dries, baby, it is. All right. So, okay now. Look at that hairline. Yes. So, I'm just combing it out. And like I said, I just wanted to throw some curls. The ends on the hair is pretty good. Always make sure you spray your heat protectant on before you put some heat on. Now, this unit ended up being around about $250, which isn't bad. I'll make sure I leave all of that information down in the description box. This literally has been my go-to unit. I literally pop it on and go. It holds curls. It straightens very well. I've gotten so many compliments on this unit. You literally can wear it in a middle part. You can slide it over to a side part. You can even do a flip over method, which you guys will see later on in the video. I honestly, this is my second time working with iSee Beauty hair, and literally I am in love with this unit. The only drawback, I wish that it came in longer lens, but for this to be 24 inches, it's perfectly fine. Is this an everyday unit? Absolutely. Absolutely. This unit is for my girls who just want to literally throw something on and go. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut my lace off. As you guys know, I like to use my eyebrow razor. Now, like I said, I do like to just throw this on and go. If you do want a little bit more security, you can go in with either some hairspray like I'm getting ready to do, or you can go in with your glue. This unit is everything. And I'm just going to go in with my So Charged Shining Mist and just pretty much give my hair some shine. This unit is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Any questions, leave them down in the comment box. Bye. All right, guys, so that's my take on it. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this. Thank you guys so much. Each and every one of my subscribers. To my new subscribers, what's up, fam? Welcome to part of the gang, okay? If you all have not subscribed, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If y'all have any questions, make sure you guys leave that down in the comment section below. And until next time, now I'll make sure I'll leave all of the details to this unit and everything, how you can find them, their social media handles, my social media handles, all that good stuff. So yeah, and until next time, bye guys.